So in this video, I'm going to show you how I use different versions of Gdal in my computer to run Gdal merge. So if you go to the website here and you're looking for Gdal merge, you can see that Gdal merge is not a command. It's not a command line. It is a it's not a command line tool. It is a Python script tool. So to run that, it's a little bit tricky. Firstly, I'm going to show you how I run Gdal merge using the OSGL 64-bit version, which is installed together with QGIS. So I'm going to close this now. So I'm going to get back to I'm going to go to C drive and OSGL 64 here, and I'm going to go to I'm going to start this OSGL for the w.bat, and that one will start basically this one will help me to start Gdal from this version. And for this special kind of version, if you call Python from here, it's not going to working, but if you call command line directly Python, it's going to recognize the Python. So remember that. So this command line is specialized set for Gdal, for Gdal OSGL version. So now how I can call Gdal merge and start doing something. So if you go to here inside apps and inside Python, you can see that has a Python version there. So if you do like this and you put in python.exe and you just copy that and you go to there, so again you go there and you looking for python.exe and you copy that and you go to here and you paste in that, and if you call that and you press enter, Python is gonna be recognized because you type in exact location of Python. So I'm gonna just exit now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose that, and I also go to script, and inside the script location here, I'm gonna looking for Gdal merge.py. So I got it here. So I'm gonna open location and I'm gonna press in here. I'm gonna put in Gdal merge.py and I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna paste in here under double quotes. And what else I need to do? I need to put in some parameter. So here in this location, I don't have any data to work with. So I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna cancel that. And I'm gonna go to other location that I have some data to test with. So this is the location that I have data to test with. So firstly, we need to go back to to C drive. I change to D drive and I change to this location. So I'm in this location now, so I'm gonna paste in this. So that means, really, I'm in that location now, so get back to that. So I'm gonna do it again here. I'm gonna go to C drive and OSGL, and I'm gonna directory that, change to C, OSGL, and inside here is gonna be app, and it's gonna be Python, I think, and inside Python it's gonna be Python exe, but I don't put in exe there. And I'm gonna choose a quotation, and that's gonna be the same C in OSGL, it's gonna be in app, and it's gonna be in Python. Similar is gonna be in script, and inside script there is gonna be Gdal merge, and then that. So next one, what I need to do is I need to set up looking for the here to get some parameter in. So what I need to do is I need to have an output file, so input file. So I just need to make input file. So the input file I'm gonna use here is gonna be, so in order to have some file to merge together, I'm gonna make a new QGIS project here. I'm gonna not say this, and I'm gonna put in a couple of TIFF file here, just put inside there. So I got a lot of them together, so I just turn them all up. I'm gonna turn them, hide the selected layer. So I'm going to turn the one that make overlap to each other. So I need those two layers. So I need these two file name for my script. So I'm gonna, because I know that this is two separate layers there, so I'm gonna merge them together. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna press in here and make tab. And similarly, I'm gonna copy this, put in here, space and tab. So I got that two file. And the next step is I'm gonna get some more information from the website. I need the output format. I think I just need to put in the out file. So here the out file is just gonna be -o and gonna be merge out run one dot chip, and also I think I need to put in the resolution probably as well here. So here is pixel size, it's gonna be -ps -ps, and I put in I'm gonna make it maybe 1. So the output file name is gonna be 1 and 1 for direction, and the output full name should be 1 meter out, like that. And that is for the script, so it looks good. I'm gonna run it now. It seems that not okay. It seems that not working. It seems nothing happened to me. Copy that. I'm not really sure what's going on. Anything is happening. I'm looking for the result and nothing is happening. So it's like unresponding now. So I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna go to drive. I'm gonna go to there. OSGL. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make a new batch file. So this is test data cd to test. I'm gonna make cd test data location. So it's gonna be that, and I'm gonna edit it using whatever it is. So I'm gonna put in cd. I'm gonna put in this one, and then after that I'm gonna cd to the previous location. I'm gonna cd to this, but I think I'm gonna cd to cd one step back, and then I'm cd to D, and then I'm gonna cd to there. Hopefully this is working for me. Let's see how it's work. I'm gonna go to there. Now I'm gonna go to the location of OSGL. I'm gonna start my batch file. Oop, it's not working. It's not as I expected. So let's again now. So I'm gonna change that again. I'm gonna do that is that. Close that and run this again. Oop, not working. cd dot cd d. Not working. So you should put in D. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same in here. Sometimes it's very tricky. cd dot put in D, and then you put in that location. Do it again. Not good. D. Okay, and cd. And it's working. That's the way. Let's say. Do it again. Do that. Very tricky. I'm not very good at fast script, but hopefully it still work for me. Wow, it's not work for me. Sorry. Okay. So we are in the location now. So again, I need to do it again now. I lose everything, and hopefully that's gonna work for me. I'm gonna go in C, that OSGL, that app, that Python, and inside that I'm gonna go to C and OSGL, in apps, in Python, in script, in I think Gdal merge, that one. And again, I need to put some parameter in. So here I need the input parameter again here. This one, I'm gonna put it in a tab space. This one, I'm gonna put it in a tab space, and the output -o. Output is just merge 1 meter resolution export out run one, maybe out one dot chip. I need to put in the pixel size, which is 1 and 1, and I think that's it. But before doing that, I'm gonna save the script because it's a very long time for me, and I'm gonna put it in somewhere to save it here. Okay, I got it there. Yes, maybe I'm gonna use WordPad. I'm gonna put it there. So I'm put it aside there. So here I got it. I'm gonna run it. But in order to run that properly, I need to put it out, and then I'm gonna run it again, because sometimes if you are using an image, it's very hard. It's gonna be corrupted when you use it. I'm gonna run it. It's working. Wonderful. So I'm gonna come back to here, and I'm gonna see that it should have a file name called merge somewhere. Okay, and now I can put that merge file inside there, and it's gonna look like that. That's amazing. So that looks beautiful for me now, and it's working beautifully. So you see that two image was merged together. I don't remember which image, so I'm gonna look for that. So this one is the first one. I'm gonna put it in here, and this one is the second one, and I'm gonna put it in here there. So I got the first one, I got the first one, I got the second one, and if I turn on the second one here, if I wanna show look like a hue shape, no, it's not working like that. Multi-band, maybe single band ray. Okay, so I'm gonna make it on top there. I'm going to change it to be transparency 50, and I'm going to turn on the first. So you see here that the merge image, and this is the first one, and this is the second one. So that's it for using Gdal method 1, which is Gdal version in OSGL for W6 with Gdal merge in Windows. And this is kind of pain for me. So actually I had another version of Gdal, which is here. I install it independently. So in order to run that version, it's much more simpler. So I'm just go to the location of the data here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just call the command line. And I got the script there. I'm going to type in Python. And I need the location of the script. So if I call Python, if I just type in Gdal merge, it's not going to work. Gdal merge, and even Python Gdal merge.py, it's not going to work. So what I need to do is I need to go to C here, go to program file, go to Gdal, and you're gonna see that Gdal merge is there. So you copy the Gdal merge, copy that, but you don't need to copy, just type in like this. You type in Python, and you proceed right, and you go to program file, you go to Gdal, you go to Gdal merge.py like that. And the next step you can do is you can put in the parameter here, similar to this. You can put in, copy the whole thing here, and paste in here. And in this time, I'm gonna choose 2 by 2, and it's gonna be 2 meter, and I will run it. Instead of merging and choose a pixel size 1, I'm gonna choose a pixel size 2 meter, and it's running really quickly. And when coming back to the location of the data, I should have a file called merge somewhere, which is 2 meter. I'm gonna refresh this, looking for merge 2 meter there, and I turn on my QGIS. And I'm going to turn off this one, and I'm going to put in side there, which is merge tool. I'm going to put it on the top, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the symbology of it to be a maybe single band gray, and I'm going to change the transparency. So if you see here, this is the merge file. It looks like that, and when you turn on the element, it's perfectly merged together. And if you inspect that property, you can see that the pixel size is 2 meter. Also, you can also use Gdal. I don't know which version of Gdal I'm using now. Maybe I just close the move. Sorry for that. I'm gonna call a command line, new one, and I just call Gdal info, and I type in merge 2 meter, and you see that now here pixel size, which is 2 meter. But similar, if you lead for the 1 meter, you're gonna see that the pixel size here is 1 meter. And that is how to use Gdal merge in Windows using different version of Gdal installation in Windows 10.